Alright, hey guys, JenFluent, and I am here to test out some new chips. Guys, I'm really trying to get into some healthy snacks here. I've been falling off the wagon of late, and need to get back on, so I'm hopping back on, okay? We're going to try out today Sun Chips. These are whole grain, and this is the garden salsa flavor. Kind of picked it out because it's got a jalapeno on it. Yeah, that's about the only reason. I'm hoping it's got some spice. Sun Chips, they've been around for a long time. I don't know. They're whole grain. These are definitely not gluten-free. It doesn't say anywhere, and I believe grain and gluten-free don't go together, so whole grain means gluten. That's my assumption. Okay, if I'm wrong, I apologize. I'll look it up. One serving is about 15 chips. It's pretty good. It's pretty good size. And yeah, I'm ready. I already opened it, but I haven't had any yet. It kind of smells like Doritos. Yeah, no, yes. I can't tell. Doritos or garden salsa. Okay, let's just try one. Let's just see. Alright. So we've got this chip here, Sun Chip. It's pretty good. It's got some good flavor. Ooh, there's some spice. Got a little bit of a spicy right at the end. You can feel that jalapeno kind of kick you in the throat. I like it. These are good. I wonder if people really love these things. It's really got like some good flavor on it. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of hard to see. The garden fresh taste of ripe tomatoes and fresh picked jalapeno peppers. This is what I'm talking about. You promised me flavor, and then you deliver. Try these. These are good. This is a win. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye.